Hello and welcome to our video on mobile app development. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to choose your platform for mobile app development. When it comes to mobile app development, there are two main platforms to choose from: iOS and Android. iOS is the operating system for Apple devices such as the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Android, on the other hand, is an open-source operating system used by a wide range of smartphone manufacturers such as Samsung, LG, and Google Pixel. So, how do you choose which platform to develop for? It's important to consider a few factors before making your decision. Firstly, you need to consider your target audience. Who are you building your app for? If your target audience primarily uses Apple devices, then developing for iOS may be the best option. If your target audience is more diverse, then developing for Android may be a better choice. Secondly, you need to consider the cost of development. Developing for iOS requires a Mac computer and a developer account, which can be costly. Android development, on the other hand, can be done on a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer, and the developer account is free. Thirdly, you need to consider the design and user experience of your app. Apple is known for its strict guidelines and emphasis on design and user experience, so if your app requires a high level of design, then iOS development may be the best option. However, if your app requires more flexibility in terms of design and functionality, then Android may be a better choice. Fourthly, you need to consider the development tools and resources available for each platform. iOS development requires the use of Xcode, which is an integrated development environment, IDE, only available on Mac computers. Android development, on the other hand, can be done using Android Studio, which is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux computers. Finally, you need to consider the revenue potential of your app. iOS users are known to spend more money on apps than Android users, so if your app is monetized through in-app purchases or subscriptions, then developing for iOS may result in higher revenue potential. In conclusion, choosing your platform for mobile app development requires careful consideration of several factors, including your target audience, the cost of development, the design and user experience of your app, the development tools and resources available, and the revenue potential of your app. Once you have made your decision, you can begin learning the programming languages and frameworks required for your chosen platform. Thank you for watching our video on choosing your platform for mobile app development. In our next video, we'll be discussing how to learn programming languages and frameworks for mobile app development. So, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more content.